Alright, back on the Google Sites, video number 2, we're going to talk about the theme. So, go over here to the upper right, your menu on the side. This looks like most of your control menu. Click on, you got Insert, Pages, and Themes. You're going to go to Themes. Looks like Google gives you some options here of a few different preloaded themes. You got Simple, Aristotle, Diplomat, Vision, Level, and Impression. I think I'll just choose Impression. That's what impression would look like. Got the world picture behind you. You can give yourself a title. Level. Yeah, just the typical Google stuff. Nothing too spectacular. I'm sure you can go out and find some things. Again, there's simple. There's Aristotle. Then you can change your color. Aristotle doesn't have a lot. Let's go back down to impression. Here's impression. Let's see what kind of color we can change. The bar. And then you can go here. Your font style is an option as well. Frank, narrow. Let's go to narrow. And let's change it back to green. And we'll just give ourselves a title. You can change it here. Size, justification, your alignment. You put drop a link in there already if you want, or you can go ahead and delete the whole thing. So we're going to go to module 8. Oops, sorry. 8. And that's how you can simply change your theme.